Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a do-it-yourself press-on nail tutorial, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, stick around and watch this video. So for today's tutorial, I am going to be using the Goldfinger Luxury Elegance nails that I purchased from the local beauty supply store, and I had to have it when I saw it. I love the combination of blue, glitter, and the design. It is perfect. So before I start, I always like to make sure that I wash my hands, and I will clip my nails and clean under them. I like to take some polish remover and clean my nails just to make sure I'm getting any excess oil or dirt off my nails before I apply the set. So next I am going to use this tool that was in the kit to push back my cuticles, and I think this is so necessary. It will help the press-on to fit perfectly on your nail when you're applying the press-on. So don't skip this step. Next I am going to file down each nail so that it's nice and smooth, no leftover glue from the last set, and it will also help the nail to fit nice and smooth and lay flat on your nail. So this nail kit comes with glue that you can use, but I personally like to use the Kiss brand Super Hold glue because it works so much better. I love this glue. So this kit comes with a variety of size of nails, and I like to try them on first to make sure they fit before I actually apply the glue. This step is so important because it will help save so much time. Trust me. So I have sized the press-ons to fit my nails, and I have laid them out. So with this Kiss Mega Hold glue, you only have to apply a little bit because this will dry really fast. Just hold it for like a couple of seconds, and as you see, it's already on and applied and dry. And I'm going to complete this step for each nail. So these nails will last about 5 to 7 days. And let me tell you, I really love press-on nails because they are super affordable. They are really easy to apply, convenient, and they have so many different designs and colors that you can choose from. And they have different shapes. They have long ones, they have short ones, they have medium cut for you. Guys, this is so easy and anybody can apply press-on nails. This is super easy to do at home. You only have to apply a small amount of glue to the nail and hold about 3 to 5 seconds and you're done. Your nail is applied. And if you're like me and like to switch up your nails, this is super easy to do and so convenient. So to finish off, I like to add a small amount of oil. I'm using tea tree oil because that's what I have, but I apply a small amount of oil to the cuticles and rub it in to keep my cuticles oiled, because that's how I always get hangnails. So you want to keep your cuticles oiled. And I just repeat this step on the other hand as well. And I like to also rub the oil in on my hands because I have really dry skin. So I will rub it in on my hands just to give it a nice feel and shine to the overall look. And see, there you go. See, I love these nails because they are super flat and natural looking, and they are hard. They're not bend, like they don't bend easy. So I really love these nails. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. It's so amazing. It looks so nice and like I got it professionally done at the salon. I also like to add some rings to my fingers and accessorize and make it look nice. And there you have it. That is the final look, guys. I absolutely love it. Super easy to do yourself at home, and it looks like I got them professionally done at a salon. You can do this too. You guys make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you think about this look, and if you love it, like this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Mwah.